Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the 3.5-inch HD FPV Cinematic drone with GPS and enhanced stability. This drone is designed to offer a versatile flight experience, capable of handling both smooth cinematic shots and more dynamic freestyle maneuvers, making it suitable for a range of aerial tasks. One of the standout features is its enhanced stability. The drone incorporates a hollow design along with noise reduction capabilities, which work together to ensure flights are remarkably smooth and steady. Adding to this stability is the built-in GPS, providing that extra layer of confidence and precision during flight. Performance is another area where this drone shines. It's equipped with a high-performance motor and propeller combination. This pairing delivers dynamic and powerful flights, ensuring the drone can handle various conditions while maintaining stability. Managing your footage after a flight is made easy thanks to the inclusion of the O3 Air unit. This unit features both memory card and USB ports, significantly simplifying the process of data transfer and storage. You can quickly get your HD footage off the drone and onto your computer or storage device. The user-friendly design is also worth noting. Things like the power cable and battery installation method have been made straightforward and convenient. This means less time fumbling with setup and more time actually flying and capturing incredible aerial views. Physically, the drone measures in at about 8 by 2 by 8 inches and comes in a sleek black color. It's constructed from plastic, which helps keep the weight down while maintaining durability. The package includes essential components like the propeller, a remote control, a memory card, the battery, and the camera, so you have what you need to get started. Overall, this 3.5-inch FPV drone appears to be a solid option for adults looking for a drone that balances cinematic capabilities with the fun of freestyle flying, all while offering enhanced stability and user-friendly features.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.